What's going on, guys? Rachel and Mark here. We got our JC Premier Barley Tea from JC.
So we received it today, this early morning. So we're gonna open.
This is our unboxing of our JC Barley Tea. And I don't know, this is the big box, so there might be some other stuff in here. I hope there's some surprise stuff in here, because this is a really big box for tea. I hope we got the bottle. You think they gave us the bottle? Alright, and what are the health benefits of the barley tea? Do you remember? There's a lot. It's kind of hard to remember all the benefits.
Yeah.
So weight loss, right? Weight loss?
Mm-hmm.
Digestive health.
Like we can put the health benefits.
Anti-aging. I know, but we just gotta tell them because they might not read it.
That's why reading is very important.
And addiction recovery is one of them.
So it has a lot of benefits. So we got it, JC. So I don't think so if you can see like right in the camera because we're using the front camera. But it's basically this JC Health, Beauty, Wellness.
JC Premier.
Yeah.
That's the company, JC Premier.
Alright.
Oh, they gave us a lot.
We can open it.
There's a lot.
There's a lot.
It's just tea, but there's a lot.
Look at that.
Whoa, that is a lot of tea.
Wow.
Hold on, how much is in here? There's 10 sticks of tea. Organic barley leaf juice mix from New Zealand, by the way. Organic.
That's a lot.
They gave us like how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 16,
17.
17 boxes.
17 boxes.
They gave us 17 boxes of organic. So this is what it'll look like when it ships to your house.
Yes, that's all.
This is our samples that they gave us, I guess.
Yeah. So
it'll
if they
come in a
want
box like
to
this.
order like from us, like if they're just nearby, they can just like get it from us. So we can sell like that one.
And the company is global, ships to America. They have offices in America. They ship, so there's no extra fees, import fees.
Yeah.
So whatever the regular shipping is, that's what it costs. So you can order from America. Also, we also know that you can order from India. The company is expanding into India. I had one person from India ask me about shipping to India. So company is going global.
That's all the barley that we have. Oh, that's a lot.
That is a lot.
So we're going to use it as well. And
so we'll be doing some more videos
just
drinking the barley
and
juice.
If you want to get the barley, you can actually order it from us.
Pour JC organic barley juice drink mix into the glass. Add 3 milliliters of cold water, stir and enjoy. So you don't even need to warm the water up.
Yep.
This is like on the go. Like you can take this to work. You don't need any hot water at all. You can just get some cold water from the fountain, mix this in there, and you're good to go. Super, super healthy.
So it's FDA approved and halal approved. So we're going to add the link or the website on the video as well in the description where you can check out this JC Barley.
Link in the description.
Unlock the health benefits of barley. Looking for a natural way to boost your health? Our premium barley is here to help. Packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, it's the perfect addition to your diet. Why choose JC Barley? supports digestion, high in fiber to promote a healthy gut, heart health, helps lower cholesterol and improves circulation. Rich in antioxidants, protects your body from harmful free radicals. Aids weight management, low in calories, high in fiber, great for your diet. Don't miss out on this chance to improve your wellness with the power of barley. Order now and feel the difference. Link in the description.
All right, we got infertility.
Wow.
If you're trying to have a baby,
Can get more.
get the tea. Mental tiredness. All right, that's pretty common for a lot of people. Mental tiredness, muscle and nerve pain, immune deficiency, tuberculosis, liver problems, colon problems, migraines.
Oh, migraine, you need that.
Yeah, I know. Cataracts, goiters, stroke, gout, and kidney stones. So
So it has actually a lot of benefits.
that's a lot of benefits, and that wasn't even the benefits that I had already read about. There's still some more benefits. Let me go to the website. Juice. They have some benefits here. Here it is. Benefits. It helps reduce the risk of coronary heart disease, reduce the risk of having cardiovascular disease and formation of blood clots, helps reduce the risk of high blood pressure and heart attack, helps lower blood cholesterol and blood glucose levels, helps promote healthy digestive system by maintaining a healthy colon, helps fight formation of gallstones by reducing bile acid secretion, helps reduce the risk of having anemia and fatigue, helps improve blood volume, helps promote hemoglobin and red cell formation, helps promote weight loss, protects cells against free radicals, and reduces cellular damage. It helps reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis, strengthen bones and muscles, therefore reducing the risk of having osteoporosis, and it helps strengthen the immune system and reduces chances of cold and flu. And those are, like I said, just some of the benefits. Not even all, they didn't even talk about the
That's a
the
lot.
addiction recovery. That's actually kind of a big thing because you need stuff to help you. Anything that will help you, you're gonna want if you're having some sort of addiction recovery problem. Alcohol, caffeine, even if it's not something bad. Smoking, the barley will help keep your nerves in check so you're not freaking out when you're going through withdrawals.
That's the one stick. And because of that, we're gonna try how it tastes like.
We're gonna try right now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try right now. I thought we were gonna make another video later. This is what Google AI says. Barley offers several health benefits, including aiding in cholesterol and blood sugar management, promoting heart health, and contributing to digestive well-being thanks to the high fiber content, especially beta glucan. Let's see. Heart health, lowers cholesterol, may lower blood pressure, supports cardiovascular health. High in fiber, promotes gut health, may aid in weight loss because of the high fiber. May improve insulin sensitivity, so if you have, that's for the diabetes. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Barley is a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, magnesium, and phosphorus. So B vitamins, that's pretty much what they put in energy drinks. So if you're, if you like your energy drinks, but you want to get off the energy drinks, but you still need the B vitamins for the energy, if you read the back of your energy cans, there's nothing but B vitamins in there. So might want to switch to the, it's B vitamins mixed with caffeine. That's what it's in the energy drink.
So it's here, so let's try how it tastes like since it's green.
So may reduce inflammation and may prevent cancer. Barley contains phenolic acids that inhibit inflammation and cancer. God gave us everything we need, and it grows out of the ground.
Barley.
let me go to Healthline, because I actually like to use these websites myself. These are websites that I personally use to do my own research. Like if I want to try a new food or something, if I want to try a new supplement, I actually use these websites. So Healthline says 9 impressive health benefits of barley. This is one website that I actually personally use when I'm doing my own research on supplements or something for working out and fitness and stuff. So, rich in beneficial nutrients, rich in vitamins. Barley is rich in vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. Reduces hunger and may help you lose weight.
That's why it's gonna help.
The combination of the reduction of hunger with the fiber.